Thanks for coming along on a monorail ride at sunset. Absolutely beautiful skyline with purples and yellows, and the hues are amazing. One of my favorite parts is the reflection off the glass. It's just beautiful. It really is. And be sure to stick around for an amazing light show at the end. See a side of the monorail that you've never seen before. Alright, sit back, relax, because the doors will be opening soon. Hope you enjoy your ride.
Please remember to stay clear of all automatic doors. If you're standing, please continue to hold on to the silver handle. Thank you. Stand clear of the door. All of the safety of the
Boulevard Monorail Beach, and next up is the Contemporary Resort. If you're standing fixed on the silver handles there, nothing is the doors. Thank you.
To our new passengers, we welcome you aboard our highway in the sky and hope you enjoy what we are traveling to this contemporary resort. During our travel, please hold on to the handle and stay clear of the door. For the company of
Next stop, Contemporary Resort Hotel. Welcome to Disney's Contemporary Resort. The ride will resume momentarily. The Contemporary Resort is 14 stories high, and it first opened on October 1st, 1971. And the hotel has 500 rooms.
Welcome to Monorail Beach. Our next stop is
It is also one of the most recognized A-frame constructed buildings in the world. Walt Disney World has many types of transportation, and it looks like this boat is full.
I had to go. One of my jobs was like coming in the backside of the air. Coming off 421. Off the heart dog. But anyway, I had to go down. You know, there's like woods and those ponds. I had to go down this one. I had to wait for the deer to move out of the way. We get off here today. Yeah, there's a lot of deer.
That's part of it. I want to see the pictures from last
Hold the railing, all right. You really hold on though. You better really hold on. Thank you. You want to sit or you really want to stand? All right, then Mom is cool. Okay, I'll sit. I'm watching. that one's 2 in. 2 in. Get ready.
Welcome to Monorail Beach. Our next stop is the Polynesian Village Resort. If you're staying in one of those silver animals, don't let get the room taken.
Were they waiting to come tomorrow night? Last People don't come. They can't come. They're on the water, right? They weren't done.
Good job. You did a good job.
Welcome to the Polynesian Hotel. You can get a Dole Whip here. Really, I'm not kidding.
Not really, we could go on more.
If you enjoyed this cool light show and the other interesting things about this video, well, please join the channel, like, subscribe, all that jazz, because there'll be a lot more craziness to come.